Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. An important announcement before starting the video. I'm coming down to Mumbai tonight, so that's why I'm shooting this much earlier. And tomorrow and after tomorrow, 2 days workshop in Mumbai. The workshop was already full, but today afternoon, the hotel called us and they said they're giving a bigger venue so that we can take another 10 people more for the workshop. So those who are interested, contact our office. The contact numbers are given in the description. Coming back to market. So how to describe today's market in just one word? Pathetic. Infosys was nearly up 10% after the results. And today, even in Indian market, it is up about 5%. And other IT stocks also recovered. TCS has shot up by 2.5%. But despite that, the market closing was so bad. Look at the sectoral indices. Auto index continuously falling. As of today, there were 8 consecutive red candles in auto index. Look at the real estate index. Continuously 8 red candles. And no need to talk about FMCG and pharmaceutical. They are also looking very, very bad. So as I told you, 5 major sectors, auto was good, but now continuously profit booking is happening. Banking was good, and today, especially, today I thought Bank Nifty will close at fresh all-time closing high, but it did not close. But however, today's closing is just 25 points away from all-time closing high. So Bank Nifty is okay, but ICICI Bank fell ahead of the results. HDFC Bank moved higher ahead of the results. And Reliance was very, very volatile. It was up 25 points in the morning. Then later, the entire 25 points wiped out. So finally, Reliance ended almost flat. Why we talk about these 3 stocks? Because today evening, Reliance results. Tomorrow, both ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank results. So probably our market is jittery, but one thing is there very clear. This FII selling is likely to continue, and it has to continue. That's good, because if the markets recover before the budget, the finance minister may not choose to do anything good for the market. And now, as I always say, only crying baby gets the chocolate. So stock market has to cry so that, Nirmala mom will give some chocolate to the stock market child. So in that way, it is good. But entire global markets are rallying, and our market, just keeps struggling. Okay. Today, if not for Infosys, Nifty would have ended in red. So very, very pathetic market. So anyway, today, Friday, so we only have 6 more trading sessions. Next week, 5 trading sessions, and followed by, because there is 1 day holiday, January 26. So next week 5 days, and the following week 2 days. Tuesday is a Nifty expiry, but Monday is a holiday. So we have only about 6 more trading sessions, and it's going to be very action-packed. But mostly I'm expecting IV to collapse on Monday after this index heavyweights, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and Reliance results are being factored in. So let us see. It's a no-brainer. 26,000 call option will have the huge open interest. But intraday, today the move was quite similar to yesterday. Yesterday means day before yesterday. Market opened flat or slightly positive, then shot up. Nifty made a high intraday. Then from that intraday, Nifty fell 175 points on Wednesday. And then recovered about 60-70 point from the day's low, and then that is where it closed. Today, exactly the same thing. And Nifty made a high and then fell more than 225 points from intraday high to low. Then recovered a little bit. At least yesterday, 60-70 point recovery was there, but today it's only 25-30 point recovery was there. So despite a huge outperformance by IT index. So probably since last August, auto index has shot up. So now people are booking the profit. But real estate, I do not know, looking very, very bad. So I do not know. At the ground level, is there any pressure in the real estate prices? Do not know. Real estate index is continuously falling. Auto index continuously falling. IT index continuously struggling. Looks very, very bad. So sometimes when everything is bad, that's when the market recover, but there are no signs because the budget is too, like just very near. So people may not want to make any big bet ahead of the budget, so they might wait. So as far as I'm feeling, I think the 26,000 to 26,200 is going to be a huge resistance. So, it might cross only after the budget if there is something good news in budget. Otherwise, just like a Chinese market for last 15 years, it went sideways. We might go for sideways for many more years. So anyway, as traders, we have nothing to worry. It's only the investors who have to worry. So let us see what's going to happen on Monday. Tomorrow there may not be any video. Sunday, Dalal Street Peak ahead. I will try my best, or at least I will put an audio because there's a workshop in Mumbai. So Monday onwards, we will come back regularly. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.